I do, Scott. I had two sets of different calls there, but I sold one out and I still continue to own the other. And as a matter of fact, we had some monstrous buying in there today as well, as far as unusual. But I'll tell you what, it all makes sense. The free cash flow, we all know what's been going on behind the scenes in terms of all these different areas, the price of all these different commodities that have been moving to the upside. And so obviously I think that moves very, very well for an Alcoa. I think there's plenty more upside. I have exposure across the board. I like the material space enough that I have about 8 or 10 different positions in the material space. So it's not just Alcoa for the aluminum prices, but I've got across the board, I've got iron ore covered, I've got copper covered, I've got some gold and silver covered, and graphite covered. So there's a lot of different areas of material space that I think still has room to go to the upside, including Alcoa.
Yeah, you like the metals, right? I can just tell by the 27 rings that you and your brother wear on any given day. You definitely like the metals. All right.
Yeah.
Stephanie Link, Prudential, okay? Downgraded, Rahel told us, to neutral at J.P. Morgan. You think it's a bad call?
I do think it's a bad call. I mean, the stock's up 14% on the year. It's had a nice run, but financials in general have done really, really well this year. I do like this company, though. It is 8 times earnings. You have a 5% dividend yield. It's the #1 company in the space, and they're going to benefit from a steeper yield curve and higher rates. I don't know why you would get off of this thing. It's just starting. By the way, they have $10 billion that they're going to be using for buybacks and dividends, and $3 to $5 billion they're going to focus on kind of growth initiatives like EM and asset management and that kind of thing. So I don't know why you'd get off this thing. I was hoping it would be weak today so I could buy more, but this is definitely on my list to buy.